Hello guys and welcome to Hawkman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to recognize a bearish trend by using the RSI. Now recognizing a bearish trend is also not that difficult. You just have to know the overbought areas, and from those recognize the and plot the overbought areas, recognize the overbought areas, and from those areas you'll have to wait for the trend to show you a bearish trend. So so I'll be explaining this to you in this video, and let's get started. This was a major uptrend, as you can see that. Now take a look at it at these areas. Take a look at these areas. Now this area was at the overbought areas. As you can see, the prices were down. It formed a lower high, sorry, no, a higher high, but after that another higher high appeared. But this time the the strength was not that much as of the previous one. It did not show that much of a strength as the previous one showed, which means that whenever one top sorry a single top showed much more strength than the next one, sorry, the first high show much more strength than the next one. So it means that whenever this type of thing happen, it means that the stock will go down in prices, as and it did the same. So this area was at the overbought areas, and it tried to reach the overbought area and tried to cross it. So that didn't happen, and the stock went down. At these levels it showed a rally showing positive results, but again it went down in prices, and the stock continued from these areas. As it is now in the oversold areas, it shot back up and moved upward. Now in this case, again at these levels, usually you'll have to recognize the bearish trend from the overbought areas. Now this is, take a clear look at these levels. This has entered into the overbought areas and is now gaining strength. That's a quite strength. You can see a strong bullish. The bulls are strong at these levels, but again at somehow at this level the trend continues upward, but the bears jumped back in. The strength of the bulls is weakening. The bulls are weakening, and at these levels the trend start to decline. As you can see, this the RSI shows the strength of the bulls and the bears. Now at these levels the bulls were in strength. The strength of the bulls was great, but again the strength of the strength of the bulls is now weakening. As you can see, at these levels they are weakening. The prices may be going up, but the strength of the bulls is weakening, meaning that the bulls are exhausted at these levels. So from now the stock is the prices of the stocks and the strength of the stock is also going down, and again an oversold area. Now they are also gaining back the strength, but this time it's not that much, and we'll have to, and it showed also some cited. Now at this level it also showed some bearishness, but again this is the oversold area. As I've told you in the previous video, that other than the 30 and 70, you will have to find out your own. You'll have to plot your own overbought and oversold areas. You'll have to recognize those areas yourself. So this area is the oversold area, the 42 level. The 42 level is the oversold area. So I will use this as the oversold area as my support level, and from this I'm going to place a long position and went ahead. So now as you can see that these are the oversold areas, so I will have to wait for the next trading day to show me some positive results, and from that I'm going to decide what to do. Let's see some other examples. Now this is a great example in a side trend. Sorry, yes, this is also a side trend. Take a look at the pattern of the RSI. It's moving up and down. Again in this type of markets, you'll have to plot your own overbought and oversold areas from which you can enter the market and from which you can exit the market. If it's overbought area, you'll have to short the market, and if it's oversold area, you'll have to take long positions. So that is a trick to use in these type of markets. As you can see that oversold area, take a clear look, take long position, enter the market, sold at this level, again short the market, came down up to this, but at this level the market has strength, so it means that the market will go up, and so it did. So these are some of the a few indicators that you'll have to know, you'll have to identify, you'll have to recognize for trading the RSI. Okay, let's take a look at this one. The same is the case with this one, with Pakistan. The same is with this one. You'll have to plot your own plot your own overbought and oversold areas and trade according to those overbought and oversold areas. Now this was a major bullish trend, so it went up, but it went up, but again it was trading in a side trend, and at these levels it is now again trading in a side trend. As you can see that, as you can take a clear look from the RSI as well. So in these type of, the RSI is good for using in these type of markets, and and it is important to find out your own overbought and oversold areas. Now let's take a look at this level, this area. Sorry, yeah, it's this one. Oversold area and overbought area. As you can see that when the market comes down, take long position, sorry, enter the market and sold. Usually this happens, you'll have to sorry, you'll have to day trade in these type of market, in this area, day trade or something like, you'll have to buy today and sell tomorrow, do something like that, because you can see that these are short-term profits, so you'll have to do short-term trading in these type of markets. And because as you have identified your oversold and overbought areas, and you'll have to trade according to those that you have defined. And also always do your risk management, because it is important to do risk management in any type of technical analysis. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.